Welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. This is Kevin. I am making the New Mexican cornbread. And if you saw my the best chicken chili video, you'll know why I'm making this cornbread. And if you haven't watched it, be sure to go check it out after this one. Okay, we're going to get our dry ingredients in. 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of cornmeal, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then just mix it all together. We'll be adding this to the wet mixture in a minute. That's all there is to it. Okay, first we're going to melt the butter in the microwave. And then we're going to add the melted butter to the mixing bowl. And then we're going to add the eggs one at a time since the butter is a little warm. Don't worry. I'll get that eggshell. We're adding a total of 4 eggs, one at a time. Here's number 3. Yep, another piece of shell. Don't worry, I'll get it. I'm mixing it up right now, but before I add the other ingredients, I do pick out the shells. And number 4. There's a big piece. Let me just grab that right now. Oh, there's another one. I do get them though, don't worry. Okay, and then I'm going to add the cream corn. Normally I'll just add 1 can, but the store, due to this coronavirus, only had 2 small cans. And then my diced green chilies. We're going to mix that up with some 1 cup of shredded cheese. I use the 4 cheese Mexican blend for this. And just get it all incorporated pretty good. Okay, now I'm going to add the dry ingredients a little bit at a time, just so that we can get them mixed up really well. And here it is with all the dry ingredients mixed in. Just mix it real well, get it, and that's about what it looks like. Okay, I'm just using some Crisco spray-on oil in a 9x13 aluminum baking pan. Just get it coated all the way. And then we're going to add the cornbread mixture. I'm going to scrape it all out. Shake it flat, and you're good to go. So we are making a New Mexican cornbread. We're going to use some apple pellets. And I've got the Pit Boss up to 300. I don't know if you can see that or not. So we are going to put it in here. .300 degrees for 1 hour. I'll probably come out here and check it in about 30 minutes and maybe rotate it. This is delicious, so you got to try this. Here we go. 30 minutes in, 290. It's looking pretty darn good. Just going to rotate it just to try to get some even cooking. And yes, that's hot. So Use an oven mitt. All right, we'll be back in 30. Okay, we're about 55 minutes in. 3:05. Looks like may need to go another 5 or 10 minutes, but let's just check it. I'll give it 5 more minutes. It looks like it may be done. That toothpick's coming out dry, but let's give it 5 more. Okay, it's been another 5 minutes. Boy, that smells good. Get this off, get it inside, and let it sit for a few minutes before we cut into it. And there you have it. New Mexican cornbread. We'll cut into it and you can see it. Just look at that. This came out great. If you haven't had New Mexican cornbread, you've got to try this recipe. It is delicious. Thanks for watching. Okay, that's it. I hope you like that cornbread recipe. New Mexican style. It's got the green chilies in it, cheese. It is so good. And be sure to smoke one on your pellet grill or your pit boss. You won't regret it. It'll become one of your favorites too. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll keep bringing them the videos.